question clear to all? Is the question clear to all? Yes, is the question clear to all? Can you all solve the constraints? It's very simple. If you want, I'll make the table for you all for the constraint part, and I want the objective function to be done by you as well. Okay, I'm making this m1, m2, a, b, 6, 2, 4, 4. Okay, availability यहाँ पे आएगा 7,200 and 4,000. Is that clear to all? Is that clear to all? Is that clear to all? Yes, max z 100x1 plus 80x2. Okay, decision variables, please. Okay. Is that clear to all? Is that clear to all? Is that clear to all? Let's move to the further part of the sum. Okay, how do we solve this further part? Okay, what we are going to do is convert this constraint 1 and 2 into equality. Okay, and we are going to solve this and find the coordinating points. Okay, so yes, converting this into equality, we have to find out the coordinating points. So we will take the equation number 1. So okay, we'll take equation number 1. Okay, we have converted this into equality. That was the less than sign. We have converted into equality. Okay, so we will we will assume first x1 is equal to 0, and we will solve this. Okay, so when x1 is 0, I will solve this. 6 into 0 plus 4x2 is equal to 7200. Okay, so what do you get? 0 plus 4x2 is equal to 7200. So 4x2 is equal to 7200, right? Then x2 is equal to 7200 upon 4. X2 is equal to 1800. So what points did you get? Coordinating points x1, 0 and 1800. Is that clear to all? Is that clear to all? Yes, all of you? Okay. सेकेंड वन सेम वे सेकेंड का भी करना है. मतलब फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में मैंने x1 0 लिया, तो लेट x2 इज इक्वल टू 0 नाउ, राइट? यू विल सॉल्व द सेम इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट वन पहले x1 0 लेना रहता है, फिर x2 0 लेना रहता है. सो देन व्हाट विल हैपन? 6x1 plus 4 into 0 is equal to 7200. So 6x1 plus 0 is equal to 7200. So therefore 7200 divided by 6, or 6x1 is equal to 7200. 6 is equal to 1200. So what answers did you get? x1 को क्या लिया? 1200 comma 0. Is that clear to you all? Is that clear to everyone? Okay, now I have done this for equation number 1. I have to do this again for equation number 2. You want to copy this down? Please copy this down and start doing the second one as well. Okay, done for second as well. Partial is done, I suppose. इसका आंसर 0 1000 मिला इसको, और 2000 0. Okay, we'll do the further part now. Just hold on for a moment. Okay, so everyone is done up till the plotting of coordinates. Okay, so I shall take the graph over here. Okay, so just drawing a graph Is that okay? Now what are the points? 0, 1000 and 2000 0. Okay, so everyone has to take a scale over here. Now just check first. 0, 1800, 1200 0. So on x-axis it's 1200. Here on x-axis it's 2000. So you have to take a scale of 200. That would be a better one. Okay, so you start from here. 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 400, 600, 800, 2000. This is clear to all. This is clear to all. Okay, now as per the plotting of the points, as far the plotting of the points is concerned, it is 0, 1800. So first 0 is on x1. So this is my x1. This is my x2. 0. So this is 0. 0 on x1, 1800 on x2. So over here. Is this clear to all? This is clear to all. Second plotting 1200 comma 0. Second plotting 1200 comma 0. So this is my 1200 comma 0. Clear to all? This is clear to all? Is this clear? You have to join both the points since both of the equations, both points are of same equation. This is the equation 6x1 plus 4x2. So you have to write down over here 6x1 plus 4x2 less than equal to 7200. Is this clear to all? Is this clear to all? Yes. Okay. Now, what you are supposed to do is when it's a less than sign, okay, you are supposed to do the small shading inside since it's a less than sign. Okay, a small shading inside. Okay, now the second coordinate 0, 1000, 0 and 1000. So this is 0, 1000. Okay, and 2000 0. So this is 2000 and 0. What you do now is connect these 2 points, coordinates. Okay, now this will be, you have pencil scale to use in the graph. I don't have anything. Okay, again shading will be inside because sign is less than. Okay, since it's less than, the answer will lie below these lines. Okay, both the lines. Okay, if it could be more greater than, then it will be above the lines. Make sure you notice this. Less than, below the line, greater than, above the lines. Okay, now the common region. So this is the common region. Your answer lies over here. Getting it clear? Is that clear? Now there is an intersecting point over here. You see this? There is an intersecting point over here. Both lines are intersecting at this point. We are supposed to find this point. Okay, so how we are going to find this point? I will show you now. Writing both the equations together first. Okay, writing both the equations together first. 6x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 7200. Okay, and the second one, 2x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 4000. Okay, now solving this equation simultaneously. How we solve this? Subtracting equation. This is 1, this is 2. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Yes, subtracting equation 2 from 1. What do we get? Minus, minus, minus. This will get cancelled. 4x1 is equal to 3200. x1 is equal to 3200 upon 4. x1 is equal to 800. So x1 800. Then again substituting, x1 is equal to 800 in equation 1. Any equation you can substitute. 6x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 7200. Okay, so 6 into 800, 7200. Okay, then 4800 plus 4x2 is equal to 7200. So then 4x2 is equal to 7200 minus 4800, that is equals to 2400. x2 is equal to 600. So therefore final answer is 800 comma 600. Is that clear to all? Now if you see this intersection point, you will see, notice this is 800 comma 600. Okay, this is not so accurate because I have drawn it with a free hand, but you will get an accurate answer because you will be doing it in graph. Is this clear to all? Okay, now I'm giving this a vertex. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, the last part now. The last part of the, am I audible to you all? Okay, if you see this clearly now, O coordinates is 0 0, coordinates of A is 0 1000. Okay, coordinates of B is 800 600, and coordinates of C is 1200 0. Is that clear to all? Is that clear to all? I've just jotted down the coordinates A, B, C, and O. O is the origin. Okay, and then we are supposed to substitute the coordinating points. Okay, so I'm just substituting that 100 into 0 plus 80 into 0. You get answer is 0. 100 into 0 plus 80 into 1000. Answer is 80,000. Okay, 100 into 800 plus 80 into 600. The answer is 80,000 plus 48,000, 1,20,000. Then 100 into 1200 plus 80 into 0. Answer is 1,20,000. Now here we'll be selecting whichever is higher. So point B is the maximum. Okay, therefore number of units of A should be 800 and B should be 600, since this gives maximum profit. Is that clear to all? Is that clear to all? Yes. Any doubt? Any issues? What to repeat? Kajal, I'm unmuting you.